Welcome inside. Ever wondered how your favorite frozen pizza is made? Prepare to be amazed by the incredible journey of pizza production on an industrial scale. We are stepping inside a massive pizza factory, where precision and volume combine to create thousands of pizzas every single day. This is high-volume food manufacturing at its finest. This facility is optimized for large-scale production, ensuring consistent quality and flavor in every single pizza that leaves the line. The entire process is a streamlined dance, transforming raw ingredients into perfectly assembled, ready-to-freeze pizzas. Let's trace this delicious journey step by step. Every great pizza begins with the dough. In this factory, the process is handled by massive, specialized equipment to achieve the perfect consistency. Automated systems precisely measure and mix the flour, water, yeast, and other key ingredients. Consistency is critical for the crust structure. The industrial mixers work tirelessly, kneading huge batches of dough until they reach the optimal elasticity and texture, ready for the next stage. Once kneaded, the dough moves on to the forming stage, where it transforms from a large mass into individual, perfectly round pizza crusts. High-tech machinery portions the dough accurately and shapes it into the familiar round bases, all at incredible speed. The bases are quickly pre-baked in industrial ovens. This step is essential to set the crust structure, giving it stability for the remaining toppings application. With the crust ready, it's time for the flavor. The pizzas move down the line to receive their layer of delicious sauce and carefully portioned toppings. High-speed dispensers apply the exact amount of tomato sauce to each crust, ensuring every pizza has a consistent base. Specialized dispensing systems distribute the cheese, pepperoni, vegetables, and other toppings uniformly across the entire line of pizzas. After assembly, every pizza undergoes rigorous quality control before heading into the final stages, freezing and packaging. Inspectors visually check for correct topping distribution and ensure the pizzas meet the high standards set for consistency and appearance. To lock in freshness and flavor, the pizzas are rapidly frozen immediately after topping, preserving their quality until they reach your oven. Finally, the frozen pizzas are automatically packaged, sealed, and labeled, ready for shipment to grocery stores around the world. It's amazing to see the efficiency and engineering that goes into producing something as simple and beloved as a frozen pizza. From raw dough to finished product, this factory ensures a steady supply of delicious pizza is ready for distribution and eventually your dinner table. That's a wrap on our tour of the incredible pizza production line. Enjoy your next